Okay, so short version. This is a BL2840 made by Portage Main. Okay. I have had this furnace for about 8 years now. And I took a side panel off. This will kind of give you an inside look on what's behind the metal sheeting. I've not seen one of these videos yet that shows you the inside of these things. So anyway, what happened was I ended up getting a hole or a leak this past winter. Now you're gonna have a hard time seeing this, but if you look in from the shut up, stinking rooster, in from the left hand corner there, you'll see a little teeny tiny rust spot right about the center of the screen. Well, that's where it started leaking. Not sure why, but it did. So called Portage Main up, said, hey, got a leak, what do you want me to do? They said, no problem, we'll absolutely warranty it. All you need to do is send it back to us. So here's the problem. Not that I begrudge them for it, because I understand business. I was in sales for a lot of years, and I understand how you have to make money. But anyway, so they said all you need to do is send it back to us. And I'm like, okay, well, who's going to pay for that? And they said, well, you're responsible for getting it back to us, and then we will fix it, and we will send it back to you free of charge, which I understand. That's awesome, really, that they would even consider fixing it, whatever, which I wanted to send it back to them, but I don't know about you guys, but $1,000 is $1,000, and that's basically about how much it was going to cost me to send it back to Canada where they're at. It was somewhere between $1,000 and $1,200. So anyway, long story short, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to tear this apart. They were gracious enough to tell me my son is actually a certified welder, so they said they were comfortable with him welding the crack that it developed. Obviously they wanted me to send them pictures and stuff. So you take that siding off. Let's throw that down there for now. And then this is what's behind it. You can see I laid the other stuff over there. They put the rock wool on the bottom, and for those of you that don't know a lot about rock wool insulation, it's no insulation does really well when it gets wet. Sorry, I gotta put my gloves on, but rock wool, I would say, does the best. So they stuff this stuff in here, and it kind of likes to stick to the metal. So I'm going to tear this stuff out, because what I have to actually do here is, and forgive me, I have to do this with my phone because I don't have a fancy camera. What I actually have to do here is I have to take this whole thing apart. You see this? Where are we at? Okay, you see these flanges, these bolts here? Well, there's a flange, and there's your gasket material, but this water jacket comes off. So what I gotta do is I gotta take all this apart, take the roof off, take the back off, do all that, unbolt that flange so I can take it up to the garage where we can get to it, so we can clean it up properly, so we can weld it properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video for now, and we'll pick it up later.